Hey guys, so for today's vlog, we are going to from Okada to Phoenix, Manila to purchase a ticket for so let's see. Ayan, we're taking pictures outside. Okada has a very nice and colorful theme, as you can see. It's so beautiful outside.
Sige ah. Sige ah.
So they are already complaining. It's so beautiful.
No? Sino ng budol?
Because they thought it's just
Diyan, yung akala mong malapit, malayo pala.
and now they just realized how far it is, and I was really laughing at.
Sundan mo yung bus!